Hello, petrol heads and scenery enthusiasts. Today we're swapping our beloved motors for hiking boots and our usual banter for gasps of awe. Why, you ask? Because we're off to explore the Emerald Isle, a land where beauty unfolds around every bend. Ireland, with its rolling green hills, dramatic coastlines and ancient ruins, is a feast for the senses. From towering cliffs that plunge into the Atlantic to mystical forests straight out of a fairy tale, Ireland's landscapes are as diverse as they are captivating. So buckle up, grab your binoculars and maybe a picnic basket, and join me on this virtual road trip. We're about to discover why Ireland's scenery has been inspiring poets, artists and dreamers for centuries. Get ready to be amazed because the Emerald Isle is waiting to steal your heart. First stop on our Irish adventure, the majestic cliffs of Moher. Imagine, if you will, towering cliffs that rise dramatically from the wild Atlantic Ocean. Stretching for 5 miles along the Clare coastline, these natural wonders reach a dizzying height of 702 feet. As you stand on the edge, feel the wind whip through your hair and listen to the roar of the waves crashing against the rocks below. The sheer scale of the cliffs is breathtaking. Look out over the vast expanse of the Atlantic, and you might even spot the Aran Islands in the distance. Feeling brave? Take a walk along the clifftop path and soak in the panoramic views. Don't forget your camera, because this is one sight you'll want to remember. Next up is a scenic drive that's practically a rite of passage for any visitor to Ireland. The Ring of Kerry. This 111-mile loop in County Kerry takes you past a kaleidoscope of Irish landscapes. We're talking rugged mountains, sparkling lakes, charming villages, and ancient stone forts. Start your journey in the charming town of Killarney and prepare to be enchanted by the ever-changing scenery. Drive alongside the dramatic coastline, where crashing waves meet sandy beaches. Head inland to explore the lush Killarney National Park, home to the majestic McGillycuddy's Reeks, Ireland's highest mountain range. Keep your eyes peeled for ancient stone forts and castles, remnants of Ireland's rich history. And don't forget to stop in one of the many charming villages along the way for a pint of Guinness and a chat with the friendly locals. Our next destination takes us to a place that seems straight out of a Celtic legend, the Giant's Causeway. Located on the north coast of County Antrim, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a truly unique natural wonder. Imagine, if you will, a coastline carpeted with over 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. These hexagonal columns, formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, create a mesmerizing natural mosaic. Legend has it that the causeway was built by the giant Finn McCool, who used it to cross the sea to Scotland to fight a rival giant. Whether you believe the legend or not, there's no denying the magic of this place. Take a walk along the causeway, explore the surrounding cliffs, and let your imagination run wild. Section 5. Connemara, Wild Beauty in the West. Prepare to be captivated by the raw, untamed beauty of Connemara, a region in County Galway known for its rugged landscapes and wild Atlantic coastline. Imagine a landscape where mountains rise abruptly from vast boglands, and turquoise lakes reflect the ever-changing sky. This is a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and connect with nature. Hike through the 12 Bens mountain range, explore the haunting beauty of Kylemore Abbey, or simply lose yourself in the vastness of the landscape. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at some traditional Irish activities? Go horseback riding through the countryside, learn the ancient art of falconry, or try your luck at catching a salmon in one of the many rivers and lakes. Section 6. The Aran Islands, stepping back in time. Just off the coast of County Galway lie the Aran Islands, Inishmore, Inishmaan, and Inisheer. These islands offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where ancient stone forts dot the windswept landscape, and the sound of Gaelic fills the air. Explore the islands by bicycle, taking in the fresh sea air and the stunning views. Visit the ancient fort of Dun Angasa on Inishmore, perched precariously on a cliff edge. Experience the warmth of the local culture, with its traditional music, crafts, and storytelling. The Aran Islands offer a unique opportunity to disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with a simpler way of life. Section 7. The Burren, a lunar landscape with hidden depths. Prepare to be surprised by the Burren, a region in County Clare that seems like another planet entirely. Imagine a vast limestone pavement, crisscrossed by cracks and fissures, where wildflowers bloom in unexpected bursts of colour. This seemingly barren landscape is actually teeming with life. Over 70% of Ireland's plant species are found here, including rare orchids and ferns. Explore the network of underground caves and rivers, remnants of the region's fascinating geological history. Visit the Islwey Cave, home to a spectacular underground waterfall, or the Poolnabrone Dolmen, a Neolithic portal tomb that has stood for over 5,000 years. The Burren is a place of stark beauty and hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Section 8. Glendalough, History and Nature in Harmony. Our next stop takes us to Glendalough, a glacial valley in County Wicklow known for its stunning natural beauty and rich history. Imagine a serene lake nestled among rolling hills, overlooked by the ruins of an ancient monastic settlement. Founded by St. Kevin in the 6th century, Glendalough was once a major centre of learning and pilgrimage. Today you can explore the well-preserved ruins of the monastery, including a round tower, a cathedral, and several churches. Take a walk through the surrounding woodlands, following the trails that wind along the lake and up into the hills. Keep an eye out for the local wildlife, including deer, rabbits, and a variety of bird species. Glendalough is a place where you can connect with both history and nature, finding peace and tranquility amidst the beauty of the Irish countryside. Section 9. The Dingle Peninsula, a taste of Ireland's soul. Get ready for a taste of the real Ireland as we head to the Dingle Peninsula, a rugged and beautiful peninsula in County Kerry. Imagine a place where the Irish language is still spoken, traditional music spills out from cosy pubs, and the landscape is dotted with ancient archaeological sites. Drive along the winding coastal roads, stopping to admire the breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Visit the Galarus Oratory, a perfectly preserved early Christian church, or climb Mount Brandon, one of Ireland's highest peaks. And don't forget to sample the local cuisine. Dingle is known for its fresh seafood, artisan cheeses, and locally brewed beers. The Dingle Peninsula is a place where you can experience the true spirit of Ireland, from its warm hospitality to its rich culture and breathtaking scenery. Section 10. The Wicklow Mountains, a hiker's paradise, calling all outdoor enthusiasts. Our final destination takes us to the Wicklow Mountains, a hiker's paradise just south of Dublin. Imagine a landscape of rolling hills, heather-clad mountains, sparkling lakes, and cascading waterfalls. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the many trails that crisscross this beautiful region. Hike to the summit of Lugnaquilla, the highest peak in Wicklow, for breathtaking panoramic views. Visit the Powerscourt Estate, home to stunning gardens and a dramatic waterfall, or take a more leisurely stroll along the scenic Glendalough Lake, surrounded by the ruins of the ancient monastic city. The Wicklow Mountains offer something for everyone, from challenging hikes to gentle walks, all set against a backdrop of breathtaking natural beauty. Section 11. Conclusion. Where to next? So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of some of Ireland's most breathtaking scenery. From towering cliffs and mythical landscapes to rolling hills and ancient ruins, the Emerald Isle has something to captivate every traveler. But the world is a big place, and there are countless other destinations just waiting to be explored. So tell me, petrolheads and scenery enthusiasts, where should we head next? What hidden gems are on your travel bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in travel and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring.